If you're a current DJT shareholder and you like these daily updates, can you please comment the ticker symbol DJT in the comment section below and leave a thumbs up on this video? If we can get 50 of these things, guys, we will continue to do these daily updates. Now, what we came to talk about here in today's video, of course, is DJT, but not only that, another Trump style stock that you do want to keep your eyes out on that is currently under $5, and it isn't going to be there long. So with that being said, we're going to talk about that. Also, Palantir, for all you PLT shareholders out there, I have very great news for you as well. Even though that we are seeing a slight retracement from today's high, we have gotten very close to that historic high of $45. And as you all know, we do have a new price target for Palantir, and if you do want to check that out, I will have that video link pinned in the top right corner. So with no further ado, let's dive right in, ladies and gentlemen. First stock we're going to talk about here, of course, is DJT. Now, as you all know, DJT was first alerted over in our Discord server not too long ago. As you guys can see, it was alerted at the share price of $12.42. I mean, $12.40. With that being a price target of $13.50 plus, and alerted this back on 9/24. If we take a brief look and check out 9/24 here on the day chart, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see here, it was alerted on this day, the bottom out day. And if we do take a brief look and check out that, the stock has given over 140% gain since then. And that is what you call a home run play. And I am here to tell you guys that this thing isn't done running. It does have a very strong chance to reach and breach those $32 levels here next week. Okay, so with that being said, keep your eyes out on DJT. This is seeing a pre-presidential rally for sure. Next, we're going to talk about the other Trump style stock, ladies and gentlemen. But before we do that, I want to just take a brief look and check out Palantir once again, just to show you guys something very important that you want to look out for here moving forward. As you guys can see here, this but the upper on this Bollinger Band, we are looking to drop below that, and that is a healthy pullback. Like I've been telling you guys, expect a pullback here in PLTR due to the fact that this thing is severely overbought. And not only that, a massive number of holdings is currently profitable, exposing the potential risk of buying high. And this is why I suggested you guys to use my 10% day trade method. And with that being said, if you do want to check that video out as well, I will have that posted at the top right corner as well. So check out that trading method. It will help you lower the risk and maximize the gains on your approach when you're looking to either invest or make a solid day trade or swing trade for that matter. So check that video out. But as you guys can see, going back to this 15-minute chart here on Palantir, we're under that mid Bollinger Band for sure. We may see this thing retrace here in the short term, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. We may see this thing retrace back towards those $41 levels here in the short term, bouncing off that mid Bollinger Band. That's a healthy, great sign for the next leg up, which will be beyond those $45 levels. So if you're still holding Palantir, you're in the right place to be. This thing has a lot of more room to run. And again, make sure you check out my new price target for PLTR as well. Now back to DJT here really quickly. Now, like I said before, guys, we're going to talk about an alternative, not an alternative, but another Trump style play here like DJT, and that is PHUN. This is a stock that you do not want to miss out on. It is currently under $5, and it isn't going to be under $5 very long. If we take a brief look and just check out here on the day chart, break through that upper Bollinger Band with huge momentum, and I'm here to tell you guys that this thing isn't showing any signs of a turnaround to the downside at all. Looking here at our block orders, 2 days of consecutive inflow and favorment, that's showing us more covering than shorting is going on here. Not only that though, We're seeing a major swing cycle take place here in PHUN. Currently, the market cap is only 51 million with a share float of 11.3 million. So it doesn't take a lot of buying or selling to sway the share price here in PHUN. As you guys can see here, only a volume of 1.22 million. All right. With that being said, DJT is seeing volumes as high as 1 million, and this share price is beyond $20. With that being said, if we do see a fraction of DJT's volume fall into PHUN, ladies and gentlemen, things can get out of hand pretty quickly. So with that being said, you may want to get your early seat now. Just take that, use that 10% buy-in / day trade method video, ladies and gentlemen, to see how to approach PHUN with caution and being able to maximize those gains later down the road. I do feel as though that this stock stands a very great chance to cross those $7 levels here early next week. This is something that you don't want to slip on because of that low share float and that low market cap. Right now, it's the early stages of this thing. But again, if once people catch on to that, PHUN is also a Trump style stock. In fact, guys, it's part of Trump Holdings, just to let you guys know. But yeah, again, this, once everybody gets a hold of this thing, it's going to get out of hand, ladies and gentlemen. So that is why I am bringing it to you now. And with that being said, may the gains be with you.